Hey, how you doing? If you're watching this, you're still alive. And then also, if you're watching this, you're probably so bored that you figured, why not check out Mumble Rap Man's channel? And I appreciate you for doing so. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. But you don't have to, but you can if you want to. So, sorry, I just took a big hit. Um, Today I'll be showing you how to make your own mask. The CDC has recommended that people who go out in public start wearing masks. And I will show you how to make a plastic cover for your face um, with stuff you have in your very own home, okay? So everyone has one of these somewhere, all right? It doesn't have to be Pepsi, it can be something else. Pepsi. It tastes good. All right. And also I have this Bears thing helmet when I used to be a Bears fan, and yeah, sorry, I misspoke. So I picked this up for $3 or $1.60 at the thrift store, and what we're going to do is make a face shield using this and using this. Okay. So you'll need a knife to make a few preliminary incisions, scissors to cut the plastic, and outdoor mounting tape. This tape, let's keep it on camera right here. All right, so this tape, this is my Hans model, Hans. This tape, you can get it at any hardware store. I like to go to Ace Hardware. I like to support my local businesses. So this scotch from 3M, I know they're busy making masks right now. So this is for the outdoors. It has about 30 pounds holding power, something like that. Anyway, I use it on my glasses. That's a whole different video I gotta make. And we're gonna use it to mount our face shield onto our helmet. All right, you can get it for $7, and trust me, you only need 3 little pieces, so it's worth all $7 worth, and you can use it for many other things. All right, you need a toenail clipper too, because this red stuff is hard to peel off. At least for me, it is. Well, I got nails now. I don't cut them as much because the apocalypse and all, coronavirus. I mean. So anyway, let's get this started. All right, do this. You get this, you make a hole just big enough
Daddy,
and long
what
enough.
are you doing?
I'm making a mask, buddy.
Having a video?
Yep. Showing our friends at home too how to make a mask. And make sure not to bend it that much. So just take it slow. You'll get some shards, like some spiky things at the end. We'll fix that up, alright? Cut that off. Watch out, buddy. Now we gotta take this thing off as cleanly as we can. I know these wrappers don't come off nicely sometimes. Just try your best to clean it up. And try to get this stuff off if you can. Alright. And let's see. We can clean it up a little bit. You also need a couple paper towels. So just clean it up a little bit. Be careful with this, it's still sharp. Just a little bit so it doesn't drip everywhere. And then I'm deciding on, this should be on the sides. So we're gonna cut right down the middle of this. Or you know what, let's try to clean it up a little more. And if we can't take this completely off. We'll trim it off the sides. How's that sound? So you'll go up the middle in a straight line. Straight as you can, anyway. Alright, and then you're going to go around again. There's a line sometimes. You can go on that one if you want. And try to go as close as you can in the bottom, or in a straight line at least, so you don't leave a sharp edge, like a sharp corner. Alright. Now, take that off. Let's clean it up a bit. And you see, it flattens out a bit. That helps. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off this top part. It's a little ugly, okay? It's got a lot of sharp edges. It can cut you. Well, actually, before we do that, let's see how it lines up on the top of this. You know what? I'm not going to cut anything. I'll leave that up there because it looks like it'll work. All right. Hey, buddy, don't mess with the camera, man. Put it down. Come on. Come on. All right. So if we do this. This should work. All right. Now, I think I need to cut these corners off because you don't want to get stabbed in the face with these corners, all right? Okay, make it nice and round, boom. And make this one nice and round too. Yeah, because that'll hurt. Okay, this looks good to go. How's that look? That looks like a nice flat thing. What do you say? Yeah? All right. All right, now we're going to put this on here and we'll be rocking and rolling, all right? Wow, it looks pretty good. Presenting it looks good. It looks like we'll need 3 pieces. Okay, so we need, thank you, sir. Need about 3. Let's clean this up just a little bit. Just no crud on there. Okay. Now, this might work. I'm a little bit skeptical. So, let's do the deed. You need 3 pieces. You don't need a lot. It's so sticky the scissors won't come off of it. So let's check where we need it. We need about... Hey buddy, can you hold this thing? Just put it on your finger. Alright, there you go. Yep, so you'll need about 3. Oh, this thing's sticky. You need about 3. You see what I'm trying to show you here, but it's actually a really good shield. And there you go. You see? You'll stick it on top, right there. Maybe 1 in the middle, 2 on the edges, maybe 2 in the middle, alright? Alright, so here we go. Put 1 right there. Can I see that one? And 1 right there. I'll put 2 in the middle just because I feel like it should be stronger right there. Alright. And then 1 on the other side. And it should be perfect. This is strong tape. Believe me. Believe me you. Believe me you. You don't need nothing else. Alright. Now make sure that it's nice on there. Push it down. Get the edges on there. right? And this is the hardest part for me anyway. Getting this on here. Boom.
I got one now.
Oh, he's got one. I got that one. And we're gonna do, I'm just gonna peel these two because I don't want to get it stuck. Believe me, this is some strong tape. It'll stay on there. And just bear with me here. Really like making long videos. Try to keep them short. But sometimes it's hard to do. So do this. All right, come on, come on, come on. There we go. And one more. We got this last one. Come on. Come on, man. Taking up the time. You want to see that finished product, don't we? Yeah. Exactly, man. Sorry about the baby talk. Got a baby in the house. Got that
Dude, I
baby
got
talk.
such a TV.
Yeah, we're watching a cool movie. Boom. Alright, so we got that, alright? This tape is strong, like I said before. Now, check this out. We're going to place down the middle first, okay? Try to place down the, well, just try to put it dead center as you can. And that looks good. And I might need to make some small cuts. Yep, and I definitely will. So I need to make a few small cuts to bring it down a little bit. Oh no, actually, you know, just set it down how it wants to go. Yep, there we go. That's it. On second thought, I might make one small cut just to relieve the pressure on the top. So you push it down as much as you can, as far as you can. And I'm going to cut these two little corners so they overlap each other and it's not putting stress on the tape. So make that small cut right there and a small cut right there. And that should be enough to break off some of that pressure on that bend. This looks good. Push down the tape. Really nice. See? It takes down the pressure on this bump right here. And it allows you to flatten out the tape right there, okay? This one, so we just push it down. Boom. You see? You say? Maybe it just needs a little more actually. Just a little longer incision. Don't go all the way to the face because then it makes no point of doing this. And that looks beautiful right there. Yep. That's looking good. Now, let's try it out. Alright? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Huh? Y'all motherfuckers thought I was crazy, huh? Yeah, I am crazy. Alright? But I'm not that crazy. Just a little bit. Just crazy enough. Alright? Crazy like Wile E. Coyote or something. You eventually gotta catch that damn Roadrunner. Yep. You wanna try it out, son? This is good. This is a good mask. This is beautiful, alright? And it cost me about, well, I mean, I found this in a secondhand store. But it cost me about, what, $3 to make, $4 to make, and about 20 minutes, let's say, alright? So, thank you for watching. Check that out. Stay safe, wash your hands, and wash your ass, alright? Take care.